Hi students, welcome to AP Computer Science Principles. My name is Carrie Richardson. Sorry if you were unable to meet with us today. Here's just a quick overview of what we went over today. So first, in Canvas, make sure that you have the AP Computer Science Principles course. When you get to that course, and yours will say Richardson-4 after it, even if you're not in period 4, click on the daily agenda and it should pop out to a Google Doc where it tells you everything that we did for the day. Two things that I would like to see if you can get started. First is to sign up for a code.org account. If you click on the letter A where it says Canvas instructions to sign up for code.org, it will give you two steps. First, it's if you do not have an account, and second, it's if you already have an account, what to do. If you don't have an account, I suggest to follow the link, create an account with your Microsoft account, and then enter the 6-letter combination depending on what period you're in. So period 4, period 5, period 6, or period 7. If you already have an account, you can click on or navigate to code.org/join, or you can just go to code.org. You'll see an icon like this up at the top of the page. Enter your 6-letter combination and continue with Microsoft if that's what you used, or continue with Google if that is the other way you chose to log in. If you have questions on how to access code.org, feel free to email me for more information. Secondly, we talked about Flipgrid and why I'm using Flipgrid. I just want to get to know you, and so Flipgrid is a way where you can create a video. It can be really short, just an introduction. Hi, my name is, tell me your first and last name, and tell me a little bit about yourself. If you click on period 4, period 5, period 6, or period 7, it will take you to that Flipgrid. If you've never used Flipgrid before, it's okay. It'll have you sign in with your Microsoft, your HSC account, and follow the steps to record a response. There's already some of your classmates in there, so you can see how they did it. You can get some examples. And again, don't hesitate to reach out if you have questions. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you tomorrow.